Is this the right time to buy more Chirpley CHRP crypto? Well, let's find out in today's video. You are welcome back again on the Beton's Crypto, where I create content that will make you money, cash, long term, help you understand how to invest sustainably. Of course, I am not a financial advisor. I share cryptos that I am investing in, so it's up to you to invest in it. Also, if say you want, and if say you want to do that, make sure you go and do your own research. Having said that, guys, let's dive right away to find out if say now is the right time to stack more Chirpley CHRP crypto. All right, this is amazing to see where the price is. I told you guys earlier that I'm going to be taking out profits, and I did took out profit. I have bought more of Chirpley recently because I saw the price, came back to retest a strong support level, and this strong support level is inside this box here, this rectangle that I drew here. And I think Chirpley is gonna go back to retest this high here, and if say it breaks this high, then I'm gonna buy more again and sell if say it moves about 50%. So I think Chirpley is gonna come to retest this higher. Maybe we're gonna see double top, or I don't know what will happen, but I think Chirpley is coming to test this resistance here, and if say it breaks this resistance, then we're gonna see another upside for Chirpley. But what I love when I look at charts is looking at it on a higher time frame, like the monthly time frame. It gives me like a bigger picture as to what I might expect in the future. Now you can see here, guys, that Chirpley made this move. If I go to the weekly time frame, let me just do this so you can see clearly what I'm trying to show you guys here. It's really important because I want us all to make money in this industry. And those of you who follow my videos, I appreciate so much that you follow my videos, and I want to believe my videos has been helpful to you recently or in your course of investing in cryptocurrency. You can see here that Chirpley, I drew this line here because I told myself if Chirpley break this level, then Chirpley is going to be going to the upside. Like we're going to see a massive upside movement, and immediately Chirpley break that zone. I think that was about let me say how many months back, 1 2 3 4 5 months back. This was the zone, this was the level that Chirpley break, right? And I believe that if say Chirpley break that level and went to the upside, it will come back to retest this same level. That's why we saw the price try to break this support. But it didn't break. So I like, okay, now is the time for me to buy more Chirpley after seeing this upside. And I told myself that if Chirpley breaks this level again, this resistance, which is now support, I am gonna buy more Chirpley. And when Chirpley break, I bought more Chirpley. I sold the Chirpley at this point, at this price point, this level. I sold Chirpley, and I have bought back because I saw the rejection I've bought back more Chirpley. I think Chirpley is gonna go back to this level again to test this resistance right now, which might become support afterwards. So this is how I've been going about investing in different crypto projects out there. If say you are interested to do the same thing, make sure you are subscribed to my platform, and also make sure you follow me on different social platforms. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and make sure you are part of my Telegram and WhatsApp group. There I create content, or I share content that will help you guys to make better decisions investing in this industry. And also, if you want to stay updated with all of my content, then make sure you are following me on Twitter. I'm going to be tweeting now and then when I'm going to go live or when I'm going to do a new video. I'm going to post it there, so you guys should want to be up to date with my content. Those of you who have watched my Chirpley videos from the beginning, I want to believe that you guys are making money and can agree with me that all what I've been saying about cryptocurrency and Chirpley is the right thing or has come to pass. So go right now and do the right thing if say that's what you want to do, and don't forget to always take out profit. That's why I say you should stick with me on this channel when it's time to take out profit, I'm gonna come and tell you guys I am taking out profit, so that you guys can take your own profit. This goes with all the other projects that I invest in or I talk about on my platform. I always want you guys to make money in this industry. I have gone through a lot investing in cryptocurrency. I've lost money. So I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes. I want you guys to do the right thing and make money. Of course, it's difficult to do the right thing always. You're going to lose money, but when you lose money in cryptocurrency, it wouldn't be that significant. It will be something that you can afford to lose, right? That's where risk management comes in. I can help you with that. The links are found below this video. Go and connect with me right now. And if you say you haven't yet subscribed to my platform, make sure you are subscribed, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Bye-bye.